So I'm annoyed for two reasons this morning. The first one has nothing to do with crypto at all. My video recording software that I use, I lost all my settings. It was a nightmare trying to reconfigure everything, but we're back up and running, so that's good. The second thing I'm annoyed about is someone is clearly trying to keep the market from rallying. They're trying to push it down, and guess what? I don't think they're going to win, unfortunately. So we got pushed down out of our trend in terms of BTC. We got pushed down below 70, even 70K. All right. And we've broken out of our ascending triangle. Gosh, it's still early, guys. Appreciate you bearing with me. We got broken down in terms of ADA out of our bull pennant that we were in. So we got a couple, not formation invalidations because it's possible to spike and rally back into there, but we did get breakdowns nonetheless. Okay. Now, what I would watch for today is that sometimes you get fake outs to the upside, sometimes you get fake outs to the downside. It would not surprise me with the pent up demand that we have if we re-enter this channel before, again, trying to make that stab to the upside in terms of BTC. Same thing with ADA. Would not surprise me if we did this was our fake out to the downside, and gosh, if I could click this, our fake out to the downside, and then we came back up and we re-entered our current formation. Okay, now this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. This is more of, we'll call it hopeful speculation. All right. Remember, retail wants to push the market higher. We've seen that. We know that institutional money is going to likely be buying in a big way this week. They feel like they've lost a little bit of ground. They're going to be trying to make that up as prices have dipped a little bit today. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. We'll have to see how much dumping there's going to be from GBTC early in the day. That's something to track as well. But the reason why I'm saying these things is the trends are continuing. For example, the seventh largest Bitcoin whale withdraws $627 million in BTC from a major exchange. So we're seeing, again, this still removal of liquidities, people pulling actual crypto out of exchanges, which means that there's less available if they are buying on leverage. For example, there's less available for whales, or not whales, just people in general to short with. I mean, there's a lot less liquidity for us to try to work through to the upside. I mean, people, when they are withdrawing from exchanges, it's typically to go into cold storage, stuff that they tend to hold on to for longer periods of time. So even though we've dropped, this move took place over the last 12 hours. The two don't really match. Okay. What we're seeing in the charts don't really match the fundamentals and the data behind the scenes, which again is why I believe, and it looks like that this is some sort of manipulation. This is some sort of trying to spark some fear in the market to see if we can get a sell-off, maybe some lower prices. It's just all a question of how retail is going to act when they wake up. All right. Right now, at the time of filming this is, about 6:10 a.m. Much of the US is not woken up yet. Okay. Normally we tend to have a little bit of help overnight from overseas. That may have been where this was triggered from. I have no idea, but this is something that people just need to watch as we work our way through today. Was this in fact our fake out? When I woke up and got on here, BTC was down at about 69.2. It's back up to about 69.6. I've seen it as high as 69.7. So this is something that, again, if we continue to rally to the upside, we can reset our direction for ADA. We can reset our direction for alts, try to gain back some of what we lost overnight. But we're not going to be fooled by this. We are not fooled at all. We know where retail wants to take the market, and retail right now tends to win. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.